Discuss how you keep healthy. Beginner, Level 2, General English. Lesson 9. Learn English with Deep. How do you keep healthy? What are the healthy words? I sleep well. I eat well. I drink a lot of water. I exercise. I have a work-life balance. I relax. What are the unhealthy words? I don't sleep late. I don't eat junk food. I don't drink alcohol. I don't smoke cigarettes. I don't work too much. I don't stress. How to give compliments. You look great. You look so healthy. How to answer compliments politely. Thank you. You look good too. Thank you. You are too kind. Fill in the gaps. Hi, how are you? You look great.
Thank you. You look good too.
How do you stay in shape?
Well, I sleep well and I eat well. What about you?
I drink a lot of water and I don't sleep late or eat junk food.
Well, nice to see you.
Nice to see you too. Discuss how you keep healthy. Hi, how are you? You look so healthy.
Thank you. You're too kind.
How do you stay in shape?
Well, I exercise and I have a work life balance. What about you?
I relax and I don't drink alcohol or smoke cigarettes.
Well, nice to see you.
Nice to see you too.